Today we will be making a custom mouse pointer. So what you're gonna need to start off is the Google Chrome web browser, um, 2 photos that are, if you download this thing from Chrome Web Store, Chrome Web Store right here, and then if you just search up custom cursor, you can get that. But for now, we will not be doing that because I already have it downloaded. So you're going to go to Upload Cursor. You have to have an image that has under 128 times 128 size. Use like images with a transparent background, such as a dot ping. You don't have to do that. Okay, so just for the sake of today's video, we're going to hit Add New. I'm going to click on the cursor and select one of the things you want. I would like an apple, and then unnamed dot ping, and then your pointer. And now you should be able to use that. Pretty simple, huh? Okay, so let's test this out. No, I don't want this. I have 2 different things, so. But I said I turned it off. You saw that, guys, right? I will turn it on. Oh no, I can't change it back. No. What? Okay, so if you already have a Cursor Chrome, go to the Chrome Web Store. Search the store and go to whatever it's called. My Chrome is being really custom. Custom cursor. Then you're gonna go to whichever one you got. And select remove from Chrome. This is not what it is. No. There's not that stuff. And there you go. I thought I said I deleted it. Oh. Turn it back off. And boom. If you have a second one, because I had 3, get rid of the ones that you are not using. And as you saw before, that's how you do it. Bye guys.